Norwell Stress has a history of nearly 40 years. Wade Hollingshead initially started in the late 1980s in Fort St. John, British Columbia, as he owned a welding supplies company and had clients repeatedly asking him to provide some heat treatment services to negate the need to bring those expensive services out of Edmonton. Over time, the company grew, incorporating in 1994, and then expanding to Grande Prairie in the late 90s. And as the company grew, they added more heat treatment, such as more and larger ovens and additional and larger mobile equipment. In the late 20-teens, clients had started asking for assistance in other niche areas, such as cold cutting and beveling of pipe. And Norwell Stress started adding that equipment and the training for their people to provide those services. It was in 2019, the new ownership group purchased Norwell Stress, and since then has extended the service line to include even more specialized services, such as hydraulic tensioning and cold tapping, while also providing bolt-up support crews to support our clients during their busiest times. In summer of 2025, we rebranded ourselves to Norwell Stress and Specialized Mechanical, updating our logo in the process to reflect the variety of services that we provide that are not just heat treatment related, but also our specialized mechanical services.